damn windy. And around this corner, holy motherfuckers here. Wow. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me, but right now it's snowing pretty hard. This snow on the ground, about 0.5 centimeters. How come the last 5 minutes? Look at this incredible scene. First and probably last snowstorm of 2023.
Alright guys, Storm Gerrit has passed. Recorded low pressure in the storm was 983 millibars. Storm Gerrit also produced 11 centimeters of snow, as you can see in this video. But few hours later, about 4 hours, it turned over to rain, and it has rained all night non-stop. So in rain precipitation we have gotten 25 millimeters. So guys, Storm Gerrit also produced some heavy winds. We had sustained wind at 50 knots. We had a wind gust recorded at 67 knots. That's above hurricane in gusts. So it was pretty heavy wind with this snow, as you can see. So later at night we almost lost power. Some houses in the community lost power, around 140 people. Some of them has still not gotten the power back yet, as of 10 hours later, but they're on the case. And as you can see, Christmas tree has fallen over because of the wind. I was walking around and this is not the only tree I saw blowing in the wind and blowing where it was not supposed to be. So guys, I hope you liked the video, the vlog, whatever you want to call it. This is not going to be the last one, I can promise you that. If you liked the video, please subscribe or like, write a comment, I will write back to you. And again, thank you for watching. Goodbye.